Heading to Richmond on the coast to coast walk and getting the full UK experience with the rain. But there's still pretty fields to the left, nice river to the right, and I'm gonna try to keep my feet dry today. On the road to Richmond, we're seeing what we call in the US single wide trailers, but here they're called static caravans. Found a break from the rain at St. Edmund's Church. They have snacks and blister pads and some other good things, and they take credit cards over there for donations. Definitely give them a donation. Pretty cool church though. Well, I definitely did not make it to Richmond dry. I just took everything off, and my luggage is also not here yet because I haven't told you a lot about how it works, but there is a courier that takes your suitcase from town to town as you walk through there. But I did learn a couple things today. This is my second time having a rain day on the coast to coast walk. Apparently I'm very fortunate to only had two so far. But the first day I had rain jacket, rain pants, and really I burned up the whole time. And my pants were just as wet from sweating than they would have been from raining. So this time I just had the rain jacket on and left my regular pants on. And that was much more comfortable. And even now my pants are starting to ring up or starting to dry out. In fact, since my clothes aren't here, I'm going to wring my socks out and go down and have a pint. But yeah, by the time I get them wringed out, I think my pants will be about dry. Proof positive, a pint will solve any rainy day. See you tomorrow.